YouTube, quick little video for today. Today we're going to talk about the VAVA dash cam. And let me tell you something. If you ever run into this issue, which I know I have, and I ended up buying a brand new one because I had trouble fixing the other one, is that you're allowed to change your password and your username. And I did that, and for some reason it kept telling me that I had the wrong password when I know my password. So if you run into that issue, right, you're gonna open up the back of the camera. Has nothing to do with the memory card. In the back, you're gonna see a little reset button on there. It tells you that you gotta hold it down for 30 seconds. And the problem is that it does reset it, but it doesn't factory reset it. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to hold that button for at least 3 minutes. Make sure you don't let go of the button. And what's gonna happen is it's gonna factory reset it. So when you go into your Wi-Fi settings and look for your Wi-Fi, it's no longer gonna be the custom username that you made. It's gonna be the factory username, and then the same password, which is gonna be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and you're able to log in back into the camera. Most likely, it might need an update once you do that, but wait a couple of days. It should prompt you. I ran into this issue, and then I tried hitting up the company, and they was unable to help me out in my situation. They sent me a brand new update that I have to download offline onto my memory card, but it wasn't taking the update at all. So I just fixed the other camera, and I just put it in my other car. So remember, if you ever run into that issue with the VAVA dash cam, and for some reason it's not letting you log in because you put a custom username on it and it keeps telling you that it's the wrong password and there's no way for you to recover that password, that's what you want to do. Just hold that button there for 3 minutes, and I guarantee you're able to log in over again. So because I was able to fix the other camera, what I did was I put it in my other car. So don't forget, live, life, and learn.